life hacks, this one is a good one today. It's a cleaning one. So everyone has these fans if you live in Arizona like we do and it's hot. Everyone has fans in their house, and then when you stop them and you see how dirty they are, it is really gross. And you think to yourself, wow, how have I been living with all this filth? Well, it's a pain in the butt to clean them, let's be honest here, because you dust them and then all the dust falls on your face and your head and your floor, and then you have to clean. So I have this little hack. I just have a pillowcase, and that's how I'm gonna clean this. So I'm gonna grab the pillowcase, I'm gonna bunch it up all the way to the end. I'm gonna put it over the blade all the way like that, loosely. And then I'm gonna grab the edges where it gets really dusty and slide it all the way down, and all of the dust is inside. No drips, right? So that is my life hack for the day. So go around, get your step stool, go around to all your ceiling fans and clean them, and you will not be making a mess, and you will feel so much better, I promise. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.